Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the heater assembly on your Samsung electric dryer. If you notice that your dryer is not heating, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and get your dryer back in top working condition. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a multimeter, needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off. To access the heating element, we will need to do some disassembly. So grab your tools and let's get digging. We will start with a power off. Pop the top up. You can use your putty knife if you want and lean it back against the wall if you can. Remove the 3 screws on top and the 3 in the front. Remove the lint screen. Lift up on the front panel and remove the wire connector to the door switch. Set the front panel with the door aside. You should now be able to access the front terminals to the heating element. Remove one of the wires and with your multimeter set for resistance, check across the 2 terminals. You should read about 10 ohms plus or minus 10%. If you read OL, the element coil is open and will need to be replaced. Let me show you how to replace it. Disconnect the moisture sensor plug, then the 3 screws that hold the blower housing cover on. Remove the 4 screws that hold the front bulkhead on. Lift up and out of the slots and set it aside. You should be able to remove the drum after releasing the belt. This would be a great time to clean out the bottom of the dryer base and the blower housing. The heater housing is on the right. You don't need to remove the box to remove the element. There are screws on both sides that can be removed. Now you can lift up the top. You do not need to remove the wires going to the high limit or thermostat. With your needle nose pliers, bend the tabs on the terminals and push them through towards the inside of the housing. You can now remove the element. Here's the old heating element, and here's a new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the new element in place. Push the new terminals through and bend the tabs to secure it. Attach the 2 wires to the heating element terminals. Now place the top on and replace the screws. Set the drum in place and attach the belt. Put the front bulkhead in place and secure with the 4 screws. Put the blower housing on, insert the lint screen, and reach over and connect that moisture sensor plug. You can now put the door assembly on, connecting the door switch and adding the 3 screws to the front, and then the 3 screws to the top. Position the top back into place. Done and done. Don't forget to plug your dryer in and turn it on to make sure everything works. Great job tackling the heating element replacement on your Samsung electric dryer. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you found that you need a new heating element, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. We're here to support you in keeping your appliances running smoothly. Thanks for trusting us with your do-it-yourself project, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair challenge.